Okay, students, this is the last part of the three-part series of how to do comparison of fraction. We compare how to compare fractions when they have not the same denominator, and then we need to make the same denominator first from all the fractions. Okay, so we will start with this again. This is case number 3. The greater denominator is not the multiple of the smaller denominator, but between the denominators there's a common factor. There's common factor that is greater than 1. So let me just show you what I'm talking about here. So what we have here, so we see, right, we have 4 out of 6 and 5 out of 8. 6 cannot jump to 8, right, because 6 12, the next number should be 12, but see this one so cannot jump to 8 over here. So but they have common factors, right? So how to find common factors? I hope when you memorize your multiplication, then you can spot it very easily, right? Oh, this one you see, oh, I know this one, the common factor of between 6 and 8 is 2, right? But if you cannot, then you need to list down the common factors first. So let's try it. Yeah, so always start with 1 and the number itself, and then since this one is an even number, we can divide by 2, divide this number by 2, and then we have the 3. And then you see after 2 should be 3, right? But with the 3 is already here, so we need to stop. No need to move further again to find the other factors. And then the other one is 8. Is 8. Now, and then we just do again 1 with the number itself, and then this one is even number, we can divide by 2. We can divide the number by 2, 2 with 4. And then we cannot divide the number of 8 with 3, right? And then, but after that you have 4. 4, yes, but you see the 4 is already here. So we stop. We do not need to find the factors again. So I hope you see this one. 6, you see the common factors, right? We have 1 and 2, but 2 is the greatest common factor between 6 and 8. So we will use the 2 as the number. So as the common factor. So we have over here, there's more steps. Yeah, let's just show it to you. 6 and 8, and then I divide the 6 with 2. Yeah, let me write down the common factors over here. 2, and then 6 divided by 2 is 3, and then 8 divided by 2, we know the answer is 4. And then you see we have the cross over here. We will cross over here. Yeah, and then let's try this one now. So we have the 4 out of 6, 4 out of 6, and then 5 out of 8. Now let's convert these two fractions to have the same denominator. So we draw it with longer lines. Yeah, we copy the fractions with longer line, and then you pay attention. How should we do it? Now, so we have over here 6 over here. Yeah, so 6 will multiply with 4. See, this one 6 over here, multiply it with 4. This side will multiply with 4. The denominator you multiply with 4, the numerators must be the same. So we have 16 out of 24, and then 5 out of 8. 5 out of 8, the 8 over here, multiply with 3. This side also with 3. And then we have 24, and this is 15. And then you can see, right, we have the same denominator now, which is 24. And then numerator is not the same, right? And then which one is bigger? Is the 4 out of 6. Yeah, because later it becomes 16 out of 24 compared with 15 out of 24. So that's number 1. Now, let me show you again number 2. Number 2, yeah. So we have 16 and 12. So I think if I just use my memory over here, I know the common factor between 12 and 9 is 3. So we just write down again the denominator that we have. We have 12 and 9, and then what we will do, we write down the common factor, which is 3. Now, and then 12 divided by 3, the result is 4. 9 divided by 3, the result is 3, and then we cross over like this. Okay, yeah, and then what, please pay attention, this is what we need to do. So we need to rewrite the fractions, right? We need to rewrite the fraction. Now we change the fraction so that they have the same denominator. After that we do the comparison. So we copy the fraction first, copy the fraction with longer lines, and then get the multiples ready. And then you see 9 over here. I'm sorry, this one should be 12 first, right? 12 multiply with 3. Multiply with 3. Now the result over here is 36. 6 times 3 is 18. And then over here 9 multiply with 4, right? Times with 4. Set times with 4, this is 36. 5 times 4 is 20. Now after that we have the same denominator, and then we do the comparison. Okay, we will do the comparison of this one 18 compared with 20, or I know 20 is greater. So this one, the 5 out of 9 is, this is greater. Okay, now I think I just stop here. I let you try number 3. Yeah, you try to do number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6. Yeah, and then later you compare your answer with my answer. Okay, you can pause the video now, and then you start do number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6. After you're ready, you play the video again and then compare your answer with my answer. Okay, so do it now. Okay students, this is the answer for number 3. Take a look. After that you pause again, and then you check number 4. Okay, this is answer for number 4. This is the working for number 4. Okay, you pause the video, and then let's see number 5. Yeah, okay students, this is answer for number 5. You check your answer with my answer. Okay, this is the working for number 5. Okay, you pause the video, and then after that you check number 6. Okay students, this is answer for number 6. With the working of number 6, we have 10 and 15. Right, 10 and 15. 10 cannot jump to 15, but they have common factor. The common factor is 5. Then just list down like this: 10, 15 with common factor 5. 10 divided by 5, we have 2 right here. 15 divided by 5, we have 3 over here. And then we just do the cross like this to signify the multiplication. And then you see the multiples 10, denominator 10 multiple with 3 here, yeah. And then numerator also multiply with 3, and then the 15, the denominator 15 will multiply with 2. As we can see over here, the numerator also multiply with 2. And then after that we have the same denominator, and then we just do comparison of the numerator, and then we know which one is greater. This side is greater. Okay, so that's it for the comparison of fractions. I hope this one you understand how to do it, because later we will use this kind of workings also when we do addition and subtraction of fractions. Because before we can do addition and subtraction of fractions, we need to have the fractions in the same denominator, and then after we have the same denominator, then we just add it up or subtract it. Okay, so these are the 3 videos that you need to take a look at it. Take a look at these 3 videos again when you do the addition and subtraction, if you forget how to do it. Okay, so I see you again in the next videos. Okay, thank you.